You've seen so many TikToks where people suggest you buy Apple stocks rather than the products. And you wonder why and how to buy Apple stocks. Well, like Apple Incorporated, there are many blue chip stocks one should have in their portfolio. Hello 101 community, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about blue chip stocks and why you should have some of them. Why should you have some blue chip stocks? And what blue chip stocks should you buy in 2022? Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to never miss any updates. The term blue chip is said to have originated from the game of poker, in which the blue chips are the most valuable of the three colors. Blue chip businesses are frequently well-established, financially stable, and normally have some combination of the following. A large cap company is one having a market capitalization, or worth, of more than $4 billion. A well-known and frequently recognizable brand or name, with a very good reputation, a proven track record of generating steady earnings growth, good financial standing, especially in terms of debt and cash, regular distributions of dividends to shareholders. Blue chip stocks typically are included in the most esteemed stock market indices, such as the Dow Jones, S&P 500, or NASDAQ 100 in the US, and the FTSE 100 in the UK. Traditional US businesses serving the telecommunications, beverage, and defense industries, such as Verizon, Coca-Cola, and Lockheed Martin, are called blue chips. The debate over whether tech behemoths like Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon count as blue chips is especially heated because of their presence in less developed countries with higher growth rates and low or non-existent dividend payments. Examples of blue chip stocks. Amazon. Jeff Bezos established Amazon in 1994. It began as a bookseller, but has since expanded to sell almost anything. Its competitive advantage is due to its infrastructure and affordable prices. It will be worth more than $1 trillion in 2022. Alphabet. Alphabet is a holding firm that runs lesser-known businesses like Verily and Waymo, in addition to Google, Android, and Chrome. It will also be worth more than $1 trillion in 2022. The Coca-Cola Company. Coca-Cola employs more than 700,000 people worldwide today. Its estimated value in 2022 is $264 billion. Advantages of investing in blue chips. Dividend payments made on time. This element determines the company's blue chip ranking. If dividend payments are regular, there will be extra income on top of the initial investment. Investors who put a sizable sum into a blue chip company get additional dividend benefits. If an investor, for instance, earns a 25% dividend on their investment, their capital has also increased by 25%. Reliable results. The confidence of its investors is more likely to be gained by a business that consistently produces earnings. It suggests that the business has solid fundamentals and is making a lot of effort to keep up its earning potential. Blue chip stocks are advantageous for an investor's portfolio because of their consistent earnings. Additionally, it offers adequate returns, making the investment profitable. Brand value and goodwill. Blue chip enterprises are present in our daily lives using reliable products and services. These businesses consistently enjoy an advantage over other startups. They have become industry leaders by utilizing their simple franchise availability, distribution advantage, and cost efficiency. Reliance Industries, Infosys, and Unilever are a few illustrious blue chip businesses. Sound financially. Blue chip businesses benefit from a strong and reputable financial foundation. This indicates that these businesses maintain a favorable debt-to-equity ratio, lower volatility, fewer hazards, an effective organizational structure, and a portfolio of controllable risks. Diversification of risk. It is advisable for investors who are not risk-averse to include some blue-chip firms' stock in their portfolio because of their reputation for dependability. Because these businesses are renowned for their operational effectiveness, even when an investor chooses to invest in a hazardous blue-chip firm, the investor still has the advantage of limiting losses. Blue-chip businesses have various revenue streams, a sizable customer base, and diversified corporate objectives. These factors lessen the dangers that an investment may face. Blue-chip businesses are often well-known and frequently appear on the Fortune 500 list. Some justifications for buying blue-chip stocks include the ones already discussed. Blue-chip stocks are frequently passed down through families and can yield significant returns if an investor hangs on to them. If you like the video so far, press the button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to develop yourself financially and want to take your future into your own hands, check the links in the video description. Top blue chip stocks to buy in 2022. Apple Incorporated. Apple makes the iPhone and other premium consumer electronics products. With a projected net income of $94.6 billion in 2021, it is also among the blue-chip corporations with the strongest financial foundations worldwide. Apple has a sizable, devoted client base and a growing potential market. Apple is also shifting to services income with higher margins. Apple is also the stock that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated has the most of, and Buffett is known for seeking out high-quality, blue-chip value companies. United Health Group Incorporated. The largest managed care organization in the United States, United Health offers millions of consumers health plans and medical services. United Health's intention to offer Affordable Care Act coverage in additional U.S. states and its $8 billion purchase of Chance Healthcare should boost the stock. There are huge chances to incorporate Chance's technology into United Health's Optum Healthcare Service division should antitrust regulators approve the Chance takeover. Experts expect an 11% increase in revenue in 2022. Visa Incorporated. The largest electronic payment network in the world is owned by Visa, a leader in the field of credit cards. The corporation is substantially protected against inflation and supply chain disruptions, so Visa is a compelling defensive bet in a volatile market. Additionally, Visa's clientele spans many consumer demographics. Visa's dominance in digital payments and its enormous scale will eventually enable the business to gain even more operating leverage. Visa has a chance to diversify into other payment niches. Mastercard Incorporated. Mastercard is a well-known issuer of credit cards and a technology-driven payment network. Much like Visa, Mastercard has protected against inflation and supply chain disruptions, and its diverse operation makes it less sensitive to cyclical ups and downs in various industry sectors. The company's market positioning, asset-light business model, and outstanding growth will improve operating leverage over time. Mastercard's annual net revenue growth will be in the high teens through at least 2024 due to the continued global shift to digital payments. McDonald's Corporation. The biggest fast food chain in the world is McDonald's. McDonald's posted a remarkable 12% same-store sales growth in the first quarter, despite several macroeconomic challenges. The company's shares are currently trading at an affordable price. Recent investments in mobile ordering, delivery, and other technology will increase the business's digital sales. Due to its low pricing compared to other restaurants, McDonald's revenues are resilient to economic downturns. In 2022, experts expected worldwide same-store sales to increase by at least 11% and revenue to increase by 6.3%. Walt Disney Company. One of the world's biggest media and entertainment companies, Walt Disney is the parent company of numerous properties like ABC, ESPN, Disney World, Disney Plus, Hulu, and many others. Disney is a best-in-class investment that excels at producing and generating revenue from content across its numerous business divisions. The rise of streaming subscribers will probably slow in 2022, while protracted park closures in Hong Kong and Shanghai will push the pandemic recovery farther into the future. Disney's parks should profit from pent-up pandemic demand. Accenture Plc. Accenture is a multinational provider of information technology services, providing consulting and outsourcing to clients worldwide. Market leader Accenture also has a strong balance sheet. Additionally, it has a history of above-average earnings growth and a successful balance between profitability and investments. Investors may also be underestimating the company's susceptibility to secular growth trends and its potential for future profit growth. Additionally, Accenture has valuable connections with software providers and a competitive valuation. Why you should own blue-chip stocks. Since blue-chip companies have a history of maintaining value and paying dividends, they are typically wise additions to any investment portfolio. They are excellent additions to any investment portfolio. Still, it does not mean they should make up most of it. A crucial guideline for creating an investment portfolio is diversification. You must spread your investments over various stocks and bonds to limit your exposure to a particular market sector. This safeguards you against a market downturn. A blue-chip index fund, or ETF, is a solid approach to investing in blue-chip firms while maintaining a diverse portfolio. This enables you to acquire just one stock and have exposure to a variety of different ones. In other words, instead of only buying individual stocks, you can invest in several businesses all at once through index funds. Index funds enable investors to buy into several companies at once instead of trying and failing to choose just one. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of every update. Also, don't forget to check the links in the video description. And while you're here, I'm sure you want to continue on the path of financial education. Click to watch the video appearing on your screen right now. I will see you there. Take care and stay tuned.